What's up, Scots? Let me tell you a little bit of a secret here. I'm about to tell you that it's a Wednesday show, and I am your host, Aiden Montalvo, with
Eric Garay. Now let's talk about the announcement for Wednesday.
So, we have to talk about the women's wrestling team. We made it to the second round overall, with 3 of our girls making titles. Those 3 being Mani C, Alyssa V, and Vanessa A.
The Highland Boys wrestling team becomes the Valley champs back-to-back this past weekend. 5 wrestlers captured individual titles: Byron Lewis, Eric, Jonathan, Adrian, and Angel.
The Masters tournament is coming up this weekend!
Now let's take a quick break. Welcome back, Scots. We have 22 days left of quarter 3, so make sure if you need any help, ask your teachers.
And congratulations to our academic decathlon team, because last weekend we placed 10th overall. And a special shout out to Catherine, who gained a silver medal in speech and won a gold medal in essay. And also, don't forget to give a shout out to River C, who won the gold medal in speech. They sure know how to talk.
Remember, Scots, on February 20th, we have a day off because it's Washington's Day.
And if you show up on that day, honk honk, you're a clown. Well, Scots, that's been all. It's been fun. Love being with y'all, but we gotta go. And don't forget to plaid up!